we're going to analyze this data, and in particular we're going to separate the subset that we've indicated as KP107 and GT22 that refer to two different test setups. So we want to separate them to analyze and compare. So after that, what we'll produce a report. So the first step is to separate the data. So we go to batch auto run, and batch auto run can read the information we entered in the subset, and we process these two. And in terms of option, we separate just the data, and so we'll create two sheets. The GT22 contains all the data points of the GT22, and all the KP107, all the data points for the KP107. Once we've done that, and automatically they are calculated, we can compare to one another. So we insert an additional graphic, and we select the two data sets that we are interested in. And that enables us to view them on a Weibull paper, in this case, or if we are interested to see any other graphs, for example reliability as a function of time, we can see the results of one data set compared to the other, so one test scenario compared to another. And so we can make our own, we can draw our own conclusion. Now we want to create a report, so we go to Report, right click, and we add a Relasoft workbook. Now we have two choices. We have a choice of an Excel type spreadsheet or a word processing type. And as we can see, if we click this based on an existing template, the software comes packed with a number of templates, some of which refer to add-on for accelerated testing or reliability growth, but they're also obviously add-on, they're also templates specific to Weibull++. For this example, we are not using one of these pre-configured templates, but we created our own template. So we go to User, and we have created our own template, and we've loaded here, and then we click OK. We click OK, and that generates an Excel type spreadsheet, and we got the first frame refers to the KP107 dataset, and the second frame refers to the GT22 dataset. And we got some information that are base setting, so for example 90% confidence level, two-side 90% confidence bound, which will give us a lower 5%, a medium 50 and a higher 95, but if we change it, obviously say for example 80%, obviously the percentages readjust, and any calculation that refers to that automatically takes that into account. And likewise, the BX, or in this case set to 10% probability of failure, but we can change it to any value, say for example 5%, and calculation that refers to that, including confidence bound, will adjust. And that's so once we originally created this template, because there's various formulas inserted, we can then save this document as a template for reuse in a situation where we have to compare these two data sets. And this is it. Thank you very much.